No affiliate marketing, no skills required, no camera needed. In this tutorial, I will show you 6 different websites that you can use to make money online without using a single social media platform. If you want to know how, stay tuned. Just before we get to the video, however, if you like this type of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss out on more said videos, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. With that said, guys, let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so today, like I said, we have 6 websites to cover, believe it or not. Now, the first 3 I'll show you are sites that will get you paid, while the other 3 will do most of the actual work for you for completely free. So you want to keep watching so you don't miss any of them. Without further ado, the first site I'll be showing you is called logomyway.com. As the name suggests, this is a website where various companies from all over the globe come to in order to get a logo design done for them. As you can see, get a logo design you love, guaranteed. And just below that it says, start a logo contest now and receive dozens of creative logo concepts within hours. So there you have some info on how this actually works. Companies that come on here will ask for a logo design, and this site's designers will give them literally dozens of options to choose from, and the person who made the design that was chosen by the said company will get paid. As simple as that. Now, I know exactly what some of you will be thinking. If you don't have any design skills, how will you do this? But as I said, I have 3 websites that will literally do most of the work for you, so you won't need any design skills in the first place in order to get paid. Anyways, here it says, choose from 70 to 600 plus custom logo designs from professional and creative logo designers from all over the world. So they will give companies upwards of 100 designs to choose from, but that's not as important for us as the last part of what I just read. This is available all over the world, guys, as you can see. There may be a few exceptions, but generally speaking, this site will be available in your country. Near the bottom of the page, you'll see some of the logo designs they've displayed on here, which all look absolutely awesome. But what you want to do is scroll past them to get to the actual bottom of the page and click on Logo Designers Make Money in order to get started with this. And on this page, you will now enter in some of your basic information and create an account. Just before we move on to the second website, I wanted to show you something to the left here, which is the fact that contest prizes are anywhere from $200 up to $1,000. So while it is a bit of a flaw of this site that you have quite a bit of competition, keep in mind that just one customer picking your design could result in hundreds of dollars at the very least. So it's a big amount of money for sure. Anyways, let's move on to the second site I'll be showing you today, and it's called 99designs.com. This is yet another designer website, but it offers both customers and designers alike far more options. If you click on categories here, you will see what I'm talking about. It's not just a logo design site per se. You've got web design, business and advertising, clothing and merchandise, art, and so on. Simply put, there are a lot more options on here. To get started with this, just come back to their homepage, scroll down to the bottom, and click on Become a Designer right here. And from there, just create your account and you're good to go. The final site that will be paying us today that I'll show you guys is called designcrowd.com. This is arguably the best of the 3 websites I've showed you. I, of course, showed them all to you guys so you'll have some options to choose from. Anyhow, DesignCrowd offers its customers far more categories than any of the previous 2 sites. This, in turn, means it offers you far more opportunity to get paid. So you won't be doing just logo designs per se. If you hover your mouse over categories here, you'll see what I mean. You have logo design, business card design, web design, WordPress design, landing page design. These are only just a handful of the categories you have on this website, and it gets even better from there. If you hover your mouse over designers and click on logo designers, you will see how much people have made with this website, and it's a lot of money, guys. We're literally talking 6 figures. And it's not just the money, but the fact that these people are from all over the world. This person from Chile made $280,000. This person from the US made $275,000. We have this person from India who's made $250,000. This guy's from the Philippines, a few people from India as well, Macedonia, Georgia. I mean, these are all countries from different continents, all located in different parts of our planet. So if there's something certain about this site, it's that it will work no matter where you're coming from, whether it's Europe, North or South America, Asia, and so on. It will most likely be available in your country. And I have to emphasize this because I know from my comments that many of you are not from the US or Europe. So, in order to get started with this website, guys, all you have to do is click on Register right here. And then when you type in your info, click on I'm a designer, and that's it. Okay, so there are the 3 sites that will get you paid. The first site that can do the hard work for you guys is called logomaker.com. This site is perfect to use when you want to design logos, and they're the most popular option of all the 3 sites I'll show you. So Logo Maker is perfect for that. It's completely free to use, by the way, so you won't have to invest anything into this. On the left-hand side, you can see that you can add text and various shapes, and right up here it says that there are over 1 million graphics, and by clicking on the search bar, it will now show you some of them. And this website, guys, offers you a lot of options. So no matter what your potential clients are asking of you, this site has it. Let's say, for example, that you're designing a logo for some food company or whatever. Check out how many options this site presented to me when I typed that in. It's literally insane. These are all results relating to just food, and I have an infinite number of them to choose from. When you choose any one of them, you have a bunch of options to customize it how you wish. You can change its size, color, you can type in for another logo and add it in. By clicking on these 3 dots here, it will present you with a bunch of options, such as duplicating the graphic and so on. When you're satisfied with how the logo looks, just click here to save it, and that's it. In general, guys, Logo Maker is fantastic to use to design various logos with ease. And more importantly, it's free. Now, the next platform I have here is one that perhaps you've heard about because it is arguably one of the best out there. It's none other than Canva.com. And Canva is for those of you who don't want to just design logos per se, because when you hover your mouse over templates, you'll see you have a lot of templates that Design Crowd and 99 Designs had as well. For example, website design. Now, to get started with Canva, you just need to create an account first. You'll do that by clicking Sign Up in the upper right corner. Then log in and you can get started. The last site that I'll be showing you today, guys, that will do most of the work for you is called PicMonkey.com. This site is arguably the best of the 3 as far as design is concerned. Now, the thing with this website is that it isn't free, but there is a 7-day free trial. And so, in that time, you can try to make a bit of money using it and then reinvest that money back into the website, simply because it doesn't cost a lot to do so. Just like Canva, this site also has many different templates for you to choose from, so using it for designing stuff on Design Crowd, for example, is a perfect idea. In any case, guys, see which of the sites I showed you fits you best, or perhaps even use all of them. Either way, you'll be able to make a decent amount of money, and thanks to these tools I've shown you, and as you've seen, you don't need any design skills or knowledge at all. Anyways, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, as always, show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to keep up to date with all my upcoming videos, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon in some of my other videos.